Hello and welcome to these maths tutorials with TV Tutor. In this video, we will be looking at ratio and proportion. Ratios are used to compare quantities by showing the relationships between them. A ratio is written in the form A:B, pronounced A to B, where A and B are numbers. Chloe has 15 cubes of chocolate and she shares them with Jack in the ratio of 3 to 2. How many cubes does Jack receive and Chloe keep? If we add the two ratio numbers, we get 5. So for each handout of 5 cubes, Chloe gets 3 and Jack gets 2. Chloe starts with 15 cubes, so if we divide the total by the number of cubes in each handout, we get 15 divided by 5 equals 3 handouts. Therefore, Jack receives 2 times 3 equals 6 cubes, and Chloe keeps 3 times 3 equals 9 cubes. This plate contains a mix of milk, dark and white chocolate in the ratio milk to dark to white of 5 to 3 to 2. If there are 15 cubes of milk chocolate, how many cubes of dark and white chocolate are there? If we divide the total number of milk chocolate cubes by the ratio number, we get 15 divided by 5 equals 3. If we now multiply this result by the ratio number for dark chocolate, we get 3 times 3 equals 9 dark cubes. Similarly, if we now multiply the first result by the ratio number for white chocolate, we get 3 times 2 equals 6 white cubes. Two quantities are said to be in direct proportion if they increase or decrease in the same ratio. If two amounts are directly proportional, we can scale the quantities by multiplying. If 3 bars of chocolate cost £2.25, how much does 9 bars cost? We know that 3 lots of 3 make 9, so if we multiply the cost of 3 bars by 3, we will have the cost of 9 bars. £2.25 times 3 equals £6.75. 9 bars of chocolate cost £6.75. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have found it useful, please like and subscribe to see more content.